गुलबर्गा शहर के जमजम कॉलोनी में मौजूद इस सिटी एकेडमी कैंपस में शानदार तरीके से साइंस एक्सपो ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था, जहां सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने अपनी मेहनत, सोच और हुनर का बेहतरीन मुजाहरा पेश किया। इस एक्सपो में बच्चों के जरिए बनाए गए कई इंटरेस्टिंग और यूजफुल मॉडल्स रखे गए थे। स्मार्ट अटेंडेंस सिस्टम, वाटर लेवल इंडिकेटर, रोड एक्सीडेंट से बचाव के मॉडल्स, स्मार्ट स्टिक, ऑटोमेटिक फिश फीडर, फायर फाइटिंग रोबोट और मिनी वेदर स्टेशन जैसे प्रोजेक्ट ने सबका ध्यान अपनी तरफ खींच लिया। और इसके अलावा स्मार्ट पार्किंग सिस्टम, स्मार्ट स्पीड ब्रेकर्स, स्मोक डिटेक्टर, प्लास्टिक वेस्ट से रोड बनाने का तरीका, फ्यूचर स्मार्ट स्कूल मॉडल, एआई का सफ़र, आई मैकेनिज्म और होलोग्राम जैसे मॉडल्स भी काफ़ी पसंद किए गए। किचन गार्डन सेक्शन में बच्चों ने गार्लिक, ओनियन और मेथी जैसे पौधे उगाए और फ्यूचर फार्मिंग को दिखाते हुए हाइड्रोपोनिक्स और इको फ्रेंडली सीड पेपर का डेमो दिया, जो सबके लिए नया और इंस्पायरिंग था। और यहाँ पर एक्वाटिक रूम एक्सपो का खास हिस्सा भी मौजूद रहा, जहाँ छोटे बच्चे पानी के जानवरों के लिबास में अपने टॉपिक्स को पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ समझा रहे थे। और यहाँ वर्ल्ड रूम में एक ही जगह पर पूरी दुनिया का सफर दिखाया गया, जहाँ इजिप्ट, सऊदी अरेबिया, इटली, चाइना, जापान और फ्रांस जैसे मुल्कों के कल्चर, फूड और ट्रेडिशंस को स्टूडेंट्स ने अपने मॉडल्स के जरिए इन सभी कंट्रीज की जुबानों में बेहतरीन अंदाज में एक्सप्लेन किया है, जिसे देखकर साइंस और मैथ्स दोनों में लोगों की दिलचस्पी और बढ़ गई। इस एक्सपो को देखने के लिए कई मुख्तलिफ स्कूल्स के टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट्स भी यहाँ विजिट किए थे, जिन्होंने इस एक्सपो में स्टूडेंट्स के जरिए तैयार किए गए मॉडल्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया। इस पूरे इवेंट को टीचर्स और मैनेजमेंट की रहनुमाई में स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ ऑर्गेनाइज किया था। हर स्टूडेंट्स का कॉन्फिडेंस, क्रिएटिविटी और प्रेजेंटेशन को देखकर यह साफ नजर आया कि स्कूल बच्चों के फ्यूचर पर खास तवज्जो दे रहा है। एक्सपो का आगाज रिबन कटिंग के साथ हुआ, जिसमें शहर के कई मुअज़्ज़िज़ मेहमान मौजूद रहे। इन मेहमानों ने इस स्कूल के इस एक्सपो की तारीफ की और स्टूडेंट्स और स्टाफ की मेहनत को सराहा। इस मौके पर गुलबर्गा डिस्ट्रिक्ट साइंस ऑफिसर KM सुनील सर, सिटी एजुकेशनल ट्रस्ट की चीफ ट्रस्टी और स्कूल प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर तनवीर जमाल मैडम, डायरेक्टर इम्तियाजुद्दीन बिजापुरी, ट्रस्टी जैन बिजापुरी, ट्रस्टी अजीजुद्दीन साद बिजापुरी, स्कूल हेडमिस्ट्रेस मदिहा तकसीन के अलावा सुमिता मेहता, डॉक्टर मोहम्मद इकबाल मत्तो, जनाब अमीन मुख्तार PWD, अजीजुल्लाह सरमद, मोहम्मद इकबाल साहब और AD बादशाह के अलावा डॉक्टर ज़िबा परवीन, मुजाहिद पाशा, अफजल महमूद, डॉक्टर रोमाना आफरीन, फहमीदा परवीन, मोहम्मद जावेद सर, कुदरतुन्निसा शेख, मौलाना नज़ीर अहमद रशादी और डॉक्टर असगर चुलबुल के अलावा दीगर कई खास मेहमान यहाँ मौजूद रहे। इस साइंस एग्जीबिशन के हाईलाइट्स देखने के लिए आप इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखें।
This project is designed to detect water leakage and drain overflow automatically using sensors. It helps to prevent water wastage, property damage by giving an early warning. Many houses face water leakage issues and sudden drain overflow which causes damage. To detect the water leakage and drain overflow automatically using sensors to reduce water wastage to improve safety.
Then comes online gaming, promising victory and excitement. By stealing, focus and peace, all of them poem together, not with hand but with addiction.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the City Academy School. I am Shada Hussain from grade 1st. Today I am going to present children's safety from screen. The aim of our project is to teach kids not to sit too close to the TV or mobile. It's bad for our eyes. When a kid comes too close to the screen, the IR sensor detects the buzzer start beeping. Good morning, everyone. I am Arpa Amina Hussain. I am from grade 1 and our project is Journey to AI Robotics. A robot is a machine that can move or do work when we give it power and instruction and they follow what we say. Robot versus human. Human have brain, can think and emotions. Humans makes robots and robots help human, which makes life easier. Thank you.
Compact so traffic problems can be reduced in crowded cities. The future transportation means advanced vehicles that will be used in future. They are designed to be fast, safe and eco-friendly.
Today we are going to look at a super cool invention that helps us short method. This machine shows a homemade machine that acts like a magic seaward shape. This machine uses a small DC motor like the ones of next to a toy. I am a jellyfish. Jellyfish is a soft animal. Jellyfish have tentacles. Tentacle contains stinging cells. It has a saucer-shaped body. I am studying in LKG class. An octopus is aquatic animal. Its cerebellum 3 has 1 has and 2 eyes. Octopus can change the body anytime. Octopus has blue blood. My name is Safia Fatma. I am studying LKG class. Look there, la la, look there, can say, and I'll water for a long time. My name is Abdul Rahman. I am studying in UG class. I am starfish sea element. It has fire shaped like a star.
A bird's scaring sound is recorded in the sound replay module. When the module is activated, the sound is played through the speaker. At the same time, the gear motor creates movement like rotating arms. The loud sound and sudden movement scares the birds.
Automatically without human help to avoid overfeeding and underfeeding. To save time and effort to use Arduino for automation.
Today we are representing Smart Way Bridge. Nowadays, heavy vehicle often cross road with excess load, which damage road and increase the risk of accident. Also, many drivers do not follow the speed limits in sensitive area like school, hospital, and residential zone. The Smart Way Bridge project is designed to control vehicles.
Today I am going to explain my project Digital Smart School Bell. This project is made automatically ring the school bell at a fixed time without manual effect. Traditional school peon has to ring the bell, but this system save time and reduce human work.
Speed breaker automatically. After the vehicle passes, the speed breaker comes down automatically. The entire process works without human involvement, making it efficient, reliable, and it can be used in school zones and crowded areas. The main objective of our project is to improve road safety by reducing overspeeding and accidents. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Science Carnival of the City Academy School. We are the students of 9th standard and this is the City Academy Smart School. This model represents a future vision of our school. Although these facilities are not fully available at present, this model shows how our school can become smart, automated and eco-friendly in upcoming years by using modern technology and sustainable energy solutions.
सिटी एकेडमी स्कूल में मेरा कई सालों से आना जाना है। यहाँ का तालीमी माहौल मुझे बेहद मुतासिर करता है। बहुत ही मेयारी तालीमी माहौल है और उसके साथ यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स में क्रिएटिविटी के लिए भी बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स किए जाते हैं और ख़ास तौर पर जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन हर साल हुआ करती है उसमें हर साल नए नए चीज़ें देखने को मिलती हैं। इस बार बहुत सारे तकरीबन 50 साइंस प्रोजेक्ट्स लगाए गए हैं। बच्चों ने बहुत ही मेहनत के साथ मॉडल्स को तैयार किया और इस साइंस एग्जीबिशन से बच्चों की जो छुपी हुई पोशीदा सलाहियतें हैं उसको उजागर करने में बेहतरीन मौका यहाँ पर हासिल हुआ है। मैं प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर तनवीर जमाल साहिबा को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि उनकी निगरानी में यहाँ पर बच्चों की बहुत अच्छी तालीम और तरबियत और उनकी सलाहियतों को उभारने का काम हो रहा है।
बहुत खुशी और मसरत की बात है कि सिटी एकेडमी के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने काफ़ी मेहनत करके बहुत अच्छे मॉडल्स जो वर्किंग मॉडल्स हैं वो पेश किए, बताए, साइंटिफिक नॉलेज अपनी शेयर की और वही नॉलेज जो उनको स्कूल से मिल रही है वो अच्छे तरीके से उसको पोर्ट्रे करने में कामयाब रहे। ये साइंस प्रोजेक्ट्स दरअसल हमारे दिमाग के जो सोच है उसको वसअत देने का यानी कि फैलाने का काम करता है और वो हमारे अंदर एक एक्सपेरिमेंटल नेचर जो होता है उसको उभारता है और जो स्टूडेंट्स इन फन फेयर में या फिर जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं वो अपना आने वाला मुस्तकबिल बहुत अच्छा करने में कामयाब होते हैं।
I am Dr. Zeba Fali, former principal of Degree Degree College. So first of all, I thank Almighty Allah for providing me this opportunity to see this institution, and I congratulate my friend Dr. Tanveer Jamal. I used to listen about City Academy and all, but for unfortunate enough that I have visited this institution after a very long time, and I have gone through all the projects right from the lower level to the higher level. Every project is a meaningful project and they are functional projects. And I wish a very prosperous peace and prosperous academic excellence to all the faculty members and a very, very huge prosperous and success to all the students of this academy. And once again, I pray Almighty Allah that the City Academy should escalate to the सक्सेस हाइट्स ऑफ स्काई।
उरूज हो इतना सिटी एकेडमी को, उरूज हो इतना सिटी एकेडमी को कि आसमां भी अपनी रफ़अतों पे नाज करे। और यहाँ पर जो मैंने प्रोजेक्ट्स देखी उससे मैं बेहद मुतासिर हुई। ख़ास तौर से AI बेस्ड स्मार्ट वे ब्रिज और किचन गार्डन, सोशल कॉर्नर एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस फ्रॉम वेजिटेबल वेस्ट और कई ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जिसको देखकर मैं बेहद मुतासिर हुई और बहुत ही काम और कारामद चीज़ें यहाँ पर मुझे देखने को मिले। फिर एक बार मैं यहाँ के स्टाफ को भी दिल की गहराइयों से मुबारकबादी देती हूँ।
But they are needed and they have done very excellent and the students, those students have explained very nicely and we have not expected this much of thing from the students. Even they have 6th to 7th to 9th, maximum 9th students are there and they have done very good job, madam, and it is appreciable. In future we hope these things we will use in our future community.
Like almost all projects are working projects. So that is very important part. Like we generally that we prepared for this only cartoons, airports and like, but they are the working project. Working project very important.
I congratulate all the candidates who have participated in the science fun fair. And winning or not winning is not important. Participation is winning, according to me. So I congratulate all the participants, and whoever is going to win, I want them to appreciate and I want them to be move forward with a great work. Inshallah, in future they will be a good person with the knowledge and definitely no doubt in the City Academy education. The school and college is very much efficient to provide the knowledge to the candidates, and they definitely upgrade their knowledge with their work. And I am very thankful to Tanvir ma'am and hopeful inshallah ma'am will bring many more things to the society. Inshallah.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the City Public School for organizing such an exciting event, because this type of exhibition will definitely inculcate the curiosity and the creativity of students, because they are getting an opportunity to showcase their new ideas. So the support and guidance provided by the teachers will be tremendous. So this type of exhibition will highly useful for the students. Now, in future also, you should arrange a program with newer and newer idea.
See, I have taken students from Fortune English Medium School, MS Kemin. Yes. Our students, they visited each and every exhibit in your school. The students performed very well. They explained very well. The exhibits, what they are displaying, is very knowledgeable. So, congratulations to the principal madam and entire staff who is behind this exhibition, and also congratulations to the students who did very well and explained very well.
Assalamualaikum. We are the passed out students from the City Academy, and it feels really good to be back at our old school. This is a really mixed feeling, and the Science Carnival is not just full of enthusiasm, but students here are very creative and they are doing their 100%, and it feels really good to see everything. Plus, the projects are not only creative, but they are very practical and informative. It's really nice to see students explaining their concepts with so much confidence and enthusiasm. And yeah, we enjoy being here.
I feel very privileged that my child is studying here. He is in 5th standard, and we are seeing not only the students' efforts, the teachers' efforts are also up to the mark. They are working hard, and school background, the school building environment and teachers are very friendly here. So I think it's awesome. It's awesome.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Asqalan Khudsi, passed out student from the City Academy School. I am glad to see our super juniors representing our school in the tech fields by using Arduino chips and supersonic sensors, either batteries in their models. And the shocking thing is their model is executing with no errors. And I like the way they are explaining components and the model. And I like the slogan they are telling at the end of the their explanation that a small project with a big impact, and proud to be an academic. Thank you.
My name is Sayeda Batul Fatima. I'm a technical writer and AI blogger. Today I came to the City Academy to see the science exhibition. I was very excited to see the projects of the students. At their level, they have done a very nice job, and I've been very thankful for the City Academy School that they have given me opportunity to give the feedback. And I'm thankful for Dr. Tanveer Jamal, madam, so much effort she did for the upgradation of the students of City Academy.
Yes, part of my experience through the school, the most important part I would like to talk about the school is the whole management from parents, teachers, management, and all the students gathered, together, and they not only contributed, they take this as a privilege and they celebrate with the whole carnival stuff. And the best part is the positive attitude of the each and everyone who come together and make this as a successful event every time. This is my third experience with this school, and it is one of the best what I've experienced till now.
Hi everyone, this is Manish here in the Science Inclusion of the City Academy. So here we have observed various projects. The most interesting thing is many projects are based on Arduino, which is a new concept for the students of the school and all. Like students of class 6, 7, 8 are learning Arduino programming using C, Python and all. That's a very interesting thing and more interesting for the future and all.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm Dr. Tanveer Jamal, Chief Trustee and Principal of the City Academy, the City School and City PU College. Alhamdulillah, we have organized a Science and Art Carnival today, and I would like to appreciate all the students and staff for their hard work. We are having almost more than 50 working models like automatic fish feeder and wireless charging system and pollution control, water leakage and drain overflow system. So there are a lot of things which are useful in these days. So I would like to thank all my students, their parents and the staff for their hard work. And the best part was the water world and the countries of the world, in which the students have learned different languages like Japanese, Chinese and all, and most of the parents have appreciated it. I thank Almighty Allah for giving this opportunity to all of us to showcase the talent to all the people. Jazakallah. Thank you so much. May Allah bless you all.